Now look at question number 14. The area of a right angle triangle is 40 centimeter square and its perimeter is 40 centimeter. The length of its hypotenuse is, in this question, we are given the area of a right angle triangle. Let this be a right angle triangle, and one of the sides is A, another is B, and hypotenuse is C. Now area of its right triangle is 40 centimeters square. So we know the formula for area of a triangle is half into base into height. So it becomes half into A into B, that is equal to 40. So from here we get AB is equal to 40 into 2, that is 80. So this is one of the equation we get. Now its perimeter is 40 centimeters. So A plus B plus C, that is equal to again 40 centimeter. So from here we can see A plus B, that becomes 40 minus C. So this is the second equation we have. Now we have to find the length of its hypotenuse. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we have hypotenuse square, that is c square, equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So c square equal to a square plus b square. Now from here we get, now we have we will use another formula. This is our third equation. We have another formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So putting the value a plus b is equal to 40 minus c. So we put the value 40 minus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square is equal to c square, and ab is equal to 80. So now we expand this. 40 minus c whole square becomes 1600 plus c square minus 80c. That will be equal to c square plus 160. So c square from c square cancels out. So we get 1600 minus 160 is equal to 80c, or we can say 80c is equal to, you subtract 1600 from 160 from 1600, it becomes 1440. So c becomes 1440 upon 80. So from here we get c is equal to 18. C is equal to 18 centimeter. So our answer is option B. So this solves question number 14. Now look at question number 15. If the area of the triangle formed by the points x, 2x, minus 2, 6, 3, 1 is 5 square units, then x equals, we are given 4 options, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 3 and 5. So here we use the direct formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is given by 1 by 2 modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle, and it is given to be 5 square units. Now in this case, the three coordinates, the three vertices of the triangle are x, 2x, minus 2, 6 and 3, 1. So put the values. Here x1 we take, x1 is our x, y2 minus y3. So y2 is 6 minus y3 is 1 plus x2 is minus 2, y3 is 1, y1 is 2x. Then plus x3 is 3, y1 is 2x and y2 is 6. That is equal to 5. So it becomes 1 by 2 5x minus 2 plus 4x plus 6x minus 18 equal to 5. So take this 2 to right hand side, and inside the modulus we have 9x, 9 plus 6, 15x minus 20 is equal to 10. Now remove the modulus sign. We have two values. This is equal to 10, or 15x minus 20 equal to minus 10. So taking 10, we have 15x equal to 30. So x becomes 30 by 15, that is 2. So we don't have 2 in the option. So from another one, we have 15x equal to 20 minus 10, that is 10. So x becomes 10 by 15, which becomes 2 by 3. On dividing by 5, both numerator and denominator. So we have the option 2 by 3, A option. This is our answer for question number 15. So this solves question number 15. Now look at question number 16. What does the abscissa of the point of intersection of the less than type and of the more than type cumulative frequency curves of a group data represent? Option A is median, option A is mean, option B is median, option C is mode, and option D none of these. Now we know that we have two types of cumulative frequency curves. In less than type, the graph rises from left to right like this. The graph rises. This is for less than type. And for more than type, the graph falls downward from left to right. So it becomes like this. And the abscissa. What is abscissa? Abscissa is x coordinate of a point is called its abscissa, and the y coordinate we call ordinate. Now when these two cumulative frequency distribution, these curves, they intersect, the x coordinate, this is our x coordinate and this is y coordinate, that is ordinate, corresponds to n by 2, and the intersection point, represents the median of the data. So here we have option B as the answer. Now look at question number 17. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. Let this be a point P and it's a 10-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from point P is 30 degree. Now a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. Now here this is a flag, let us suppose, and its height is x meter. Now a flag is hoisted at the top of the building and angle of elevation of the top of the building of the flag staff from P is 45 degree. Now this angle is 45 degree. Find the length of the flag staff. You have to find the value of x. Now in this triangle, let this be point, you can mark it Q, and this be R. Now in triangle, let this point be S. In triangle PQS, we have tan 30 degree is equal to, tan is perpendicular upon base, that is 10 upon PQ. So from here, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 equal to 10 by PQ. So from here, PQ is equal to 10 into under root 3 meter. Now this value becomes 10 under root 3 meter. Now in another triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, the angle is 45 degree. So tan 45 degree becomes, now this length is RQR is 10 plus x. So it becomes 10 plus x upon PQ. PQ is 10 under root 3. Now tan 45 degree is 1. So it becomes 1 equal to 10 plus x upon 10 under root 3. Now multiply this. So it becomes 10 under root 3 equal to 10 plus x. From here we get the value 10 under root 3 minus 10 is equal to x, or we can say x is equal to 10 into under root 3 minus 1. So from here x becomes 10 into under root 3 is 1.732 minus 1, that is 10 into 0.732. So our answer becomes 7.32 meter. So this is the option number C. So our answer is 7.32 meter, option C. Now look at the question number 18. The probability that a non-leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays is option A 1 by 7, option B 2 by 7, option C 3 by 7, and option D 4 by 7. Now we know that in a non-leap year we have how many days? 365 days. And if we divide it by 7, because 1 week is equal to 7 days. So if we divide it by 7, we get 52 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So we have 52 weeks, that is 52 Sundays will be there. But 1 day, 1 is remainder. So this remainder day can be one of the 7 days. Now the probability that it will be a Sunday, it becomes, we have total days is equal to 7. So the probability that it will be a Sunday, that will be 1 by 7. So our answer is option A. So this solves the question number 18. So I'll hope that you like this video. So for more videos like this, please share this video as much as you can and subscribe my channel. Thank you.